occasion as charity, as painting, as bowling. So it's really exciting, and please have a wonderful day, and I'm really happy to be here.
Hello, good afternoon. I'm very happy to be able to join all of you this afternoon, and of course we have a very nice person among us from Austria. Very happy to meet you, and many beautiful people around here as well. Children, friends from University of Manchester Centre, and also all the alumni and family members and friends. You know, this is the 30th anniversary, celebrating, and we met so many University of Manchester's alumni. We feel so proud, part of the university, and also for those of us who the opportunity to spend time there, definitely is memorable. These are opportunities where we do, to us, maybe something that we want to help one another, but in many countries, such opportunity like this, such event like this, are the ideals of what they want to achieve. Right? And I think we should be very happy with what we have achieved. Nevertheless, the journey continues.